Okay guys, today we've got a 2014 Ford Explorer, 3.5 liter, 143,000 miles on it. Black leather interior, heated seats, 20-inch alloy wheels. Got the third row seating. Taillights are still good. I just got to take a few pictures of them, clean them up a little bit, a couple scuffs on them. Everything down the passenger side's in good shape. Does have a nice set of rubber on these rims as well. Okay guys, all these parts will be available on our website, bcauto.net. All parts do come with a 6-month warranty. Appreciate your time, guys. Have a good one.